students, welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Now let's come to the exercise 3.2. Okay, we can see exercise 3.2. Here we have to find x in both the problem. Okay, it is given some figure. So we have to find this x. X means, okay student, we have to find this x. Okay, this x is an exterior angle. So we know that some of the interior angles is equal to exterior angles. This is the property. So we have to first find this interior angles. How you can find? By linear pair we can write m plus by linear pair m plus 125 degree is equal to 180 degree. So m is equal to 180 minus 125 degree. So here m is equal to 5, 10 minus 5 is 5, and 7 minus 2 is 5. 55 degree is here, and this is also 125 degree. So you can write n plus 125 degree equal to 180 degree. We had assumed m and n as the interior angle. Okay, so n is equal to 180 minus 125 degree is equal to 55 degree. Okay, and we know that here it is some property. You have to write that exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior angles. So these are the interior angles and this is exterior angle. Okay, so what it may be? X equal to m plus n. It will be x equal to m plus n, and we know that m and n is from 1 and 2. 55 degree plus 55 degree. How much? 5, 5, 10, 11. 110 degree. So this is the answer for part A. Okay. Here you can see. Here also we have to find x in this figure. So this is square angle, means this is a 90 degree. Okay. Here it is also 90 degree. So first we have to find here this angle. Okay. So for this angle we have to find this angle and this angle. So by linear pair we can find it. Okay. So by linear pair it may be called angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Okay. So here angle 1 is 180 degree minus 90 degree. I am writing directly equal to 90 degree. Angle 2 is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree is equal to 110 degree. Angle 4 is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree. Okay, and angle 3. So for angle 3 we have to we know this is which polygon it is. How many sides you have to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides are there. So it is pentagon. So we know that sum of the angles of pentagon is equal to 540. This is 540 degree. So here you have to write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to plus 90 degree. 5 angles are there. Plus 90 degree equal to 540 degree. Okay. So we know that angle 1, 2, 4, this one 90 degree plus 110 degree plus angle 3 plus 120 degree plus 90 degree equal to 540 degree. We have to sum up this one. 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. So 180 plus 110 plus 120 plus angle 3 equal to 540 degree. Are you getting? Okay, you have to write like this. This is an implement sign. Okay, this is 0 degree, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 3, 4. 410 degree plus angle 3 is equal to 540 degree. So angle 3 is 540 minus 410 degree, that is, I will write here, 0 degree, 4 minus 1 is 3, 5 minus 4 is 1. So angle 3 I get 130 degree, and it is also a linear pair. Okay, this is the exterior angle x. So we have to find x. So 180 degree minus 130 degree, I am getting this angle 3 as 130 degree. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, this is 4. You can write this is 4 and this is 5. Okay, so here 180 minus 30 is x equal to 50 degree. So I am getting here x equal to 50 degree and here x equal to 110 degree. So this is the question number 1 of exercise 3.2. Okay students, let's see question number 2 here. Here it is given, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon having 9 sides and 15 sides. Two parts is there. So first part, 9 sides. So number of sides is equal to 9, and we know sum of exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so we have to find each exterior angle. So each exterior angle, we had the formula, you have to learn this formula, equal to sum of the exterior angle divided by number of sides, equal to 360 degree divided by 9. We know 9 4s are 36. So here it is 40 degree by the formula. Okay. Now come to the second part. Here number of sides is equal to 15. Sum of exterior angle is, we know that sum of exterior angle of any polygon is equal to 360 degree. So each exterior angle we have to divide this both, that is sum of exterior angle divided by number of sides. 360 divided by 15. So 5 3s are 15, and here 5 1s are 5 7s are 35, and 10 5 2s are 10. So by 3 it will cancel, 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 1 12, 3 6 are 12. So I am getting here 26 degree. Okay, so this is the question number 2, that is first part and second part. Okay students, let's see question number 3 here. What is given? We have to calculate number of sides, and they had given the exterior angle as 24 degree. Okay, so we know that exterior angle is equal to sum of the angles, sum of the exterior angles, sum of the exterior angles of any polygon divided by number of sides. We know that this formula. So what is given exterior angle is 24 degree. So we will write here, and we know 360 degree as the sum of the exterior angle, and we have to find number of sides. So number of sides here. So we have to transpose this one here, okay, and this will be here. So number of sides is equal to 360 degree divided by 24 degree. By 2 I will cancel here. 2 1s are 2 2s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 1 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 0 0. 6 2s are 12, 6 30s are 2, 15s are. Okay, so number of sides is 15. So this is the answer for question number 3rd. Now come to the question number 4. Here it is given interior angle is given and we have to calculate the number of sides. So this is the solution. Interior angle is equal to 165 degree. So we have to first calculate what? Exterior angle. Exterior angle, we know that 180 degree minus 165 degree by linear pair. We will calculate exterior angle. Okay. So here I am getting 15 degree. Okay. Yes, 15 degree is the exterior angle. So here for number of sides is equal to 360. I will write first formula, then only we have to put the values. Sum of the exterior angles of a polygon divided by exterior angle. Okay, so this is 360 degree we know, divided by 15 degree. 15 ones are 15 twos are 30, here 60 means 15 fours are 60. So number of sides is 24. This is the answer for question number 4. Okay students, let's see question number 5 here. Here it is given what they ask. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? It is given that exterior angle equal to 22 degree. Equal to 22 degree. So we have to find number of sides. Equal to 360 divided by 22. So here 2 11s are 22, 2 1s are 2, 1 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 zeros are. Means 180 divided by 11. So 11 ones are 11, 70. So 11 6 are 66, 40, 11 3s are 33, then 7. So I am getting like this 16.36. Okay, and so on. So it is in the point. So we don't have number of sides in decimal. So it not possible. No, it is not possible to have a regular polygon. Same you have to write with the question. With measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree is not the divisor of 360 degree. Means 22 is not divisible by 360 degree. Therefore, it is coming to the decimal number, and number of sides is not in decimal number, and not we can't approximate also in this polygons. Okay. Now come to the B part. What it is asked, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon and why? If if here it is given that exterior angle, if we take interior angle as 22 degree, okay, what is the change here? You can see here I am writing the solution. Interior angle is equal to 22 degree. So exterior angle will be 180 minus 22 degree. So that is 158 degree. Okay, so we have to write this is the formula, number of sides equal to sum of the exterior angle is equal to 360. So I am writing here directly 360 divided by 158 degree. So we have to cancel out here. 2 7s are 14 and 1 2 9s are 18 here. 2 1s are 2, 1 16, 2 8s are 16, 0. 180 divided by 79. 79 is a prime number, it can't be go down. Okay, so it is a it is in a fraction, so it will come in decimal point. Okay, so this is not, no, it cannot be possible to have a regular polygon with interior angle 22 degree as exterior angle 158 degree is not divisible by 360 degree. So it is the reason that it is in fraction. So neither fraction nor decimal will be number of sides. Okay, it will be a natural number or whole numbers. Okay, so it can't be possible, not divisible by 360. Okay students, this is the last question of exercise 3.2, that is question number 6. First part, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? Okay, we have to say the reason also. Here you can see sum of interior angles of a polygon is of n sides is n minus 2 into 180 degree, right? So for minimum interior angle n minus 2 into 180 degree is greater than 0. Okay, so for minimum possible interior angle we have to write like this. So 180 degree will be here, so n minus 2 is greater than 0, that is n is greater than 2. So n should be greater than 2 for the regular polygon, that is the minimum interior angle. Okay, that is the equilateral triangle, that is a regular polygon of having 3 sides. So interior angle will be equilateral triangle having 3 sides Okay, their sides is equal also, and angles will be also equal. So angle, having angle, sorry, number of sides is 3 and angle is equal to 60 degree. 60 degree each, we know equilateral triangle. Now this is the answer for part A. Okay, now come to the B part. We know that interior angle is equal to 60 degree. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? So interior angle we know equal to 60 degree. So exterior angle, maximum exterior angle will be 180 degree minus 60 degree, that is 120 degree. So this is the answer for question number 6. Okay students, I hope you understood up till here. I clear all your concepts up till here. That is exercise 3.2. okay, in the next video I will come with exercise 3.3. so please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you.